Once upon a time, in this beautiful land, there lived a strong and very proud lion named Barrett. He was the king of the savannah, and all the other animals would scurry away when they heard his mighty roar. One morning, Baraka woke up feeling grumpy and very, very thirsty. "Roar," he bellowed, "I'm so thirsty. Where is my water?" Baraka stomped over to his favorite watering hole, the one he always drank from. But when he got there, it was all dried up. There was no water. Not a single splash, not even a tiny drop. He pawed at the dry, dusty ground. "This is my watering hole," he roared angrily. "I am the king. I demand water." He was getting thirstier and grumpier by the second. Just then, a tiny, colorful bird with bright feathers flew down from a nearby tree branch. Her name was Cato. She was very small, but she was also very wise. With a cheerful chirp, she said, "Great Lion, I know where you can find water. It's a secret spring. Just follow me." Baraka looked down at the little bird and let out a big laugh. "You," he chuckled. "You're just a tiny little bird. What could you possibly know about finding water?" But Keto wasn't scared. She puffed out her chest and said, "Even small ones can be wise. Come with me, or you can stay here and be thirsty." Well, Baraka was far too thirsty to argue any longer. So, with a huff, he decided to follow the little bird. Cato flew ahead, leading the way through the tall, swishy grass, past the giant baobab trees with their thick trunks, and over a small, grassy hill. Baraka grumbled as he followed, but he kept going, and finally they reached it. A hidden spring tucked away behind some rocks. Crystal clear water bubbled up from the ground, sparkling in the sunlight. "Ah, this is perfect," Baraka said, his voice filled with relief. He drank and drank the cool, fresh water until he wasn't thirsty anymore. Then he turned to the little bird and looked at her with new respect in his eyes. "Thank you, little Keto," he said gratefully. "You are wise indeed. I'm sorry I laughed at you. I will never, ever judge someone by their size again." From that day on, the great lion learned to listen to others no matter how small and to respect everyone. He learned that wisdom and kindness can come from anyone. And so the savannah became a little wiser and a whole lot kinder. The big lesson from our story today is to never judge someone by how they look or how small they are. True wisdom and kindness can be found in the most unexpected places. Thanks for joining our story time today. If you liked our adventure with Baraka and Keto, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe for more fun stories, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.